Did you know that bacteria can be the key to healthier soil and better crops? When it comes to biofertilizers, bacterial biofertilizers play a crucial role in improving soil health and boosting plant growth. Today, we'll dive deep into the world of bacterial biofertilizers, explore their types, and understand how they work to make your soil more fertile and your plants more productive. If you're enjoying this content and want more tips on sustainable farming and soil health, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get back to the video. Bacterial biofertilizers are live bacteria that are applied to soil, seeds, or plants to promote growth by increasing the availability of essential nutrients. These bacteria work by fixing nitrogen, solubilizing phosphorus, decomposing organic matter, and enhancing soil health. They are natural, eco-friendly alternatives to chemical fertilizers and are commonly used in organic farming for sustainable agriculture. There are several types of bacterial biofertilizers, each serving a different purpose in improving soil fertility and plant growth. Let's explore some of the most commonly used ones. 1. Rhizobium. One of the most well-known bacterial biofertilizers is Rhizobium. These bacteria form a symbiotic relationship with the roots of leguminous plants like peas, beans, and lentils. Rhizobium bacteria help fix nitrogen from the air and convert it into a form that plants can use for growth. This process is essential because nitrogen is one of the most important nutrients required for plant development. By using Rhizobium, farmers can reduce their dependence on synthetic nitrogen fertilizers and promote soil health. 2. Azotobacter. Another important bacterial biofertilizer is Azotobacter. These free-living bacteria are found in the soil and help fix nitrogen in a variety of crops, not just legumes. Azotobacter works by fixing atmospheric nitrogen and making it available to plants, thus improving soil fertility. Azotobacter also helps in decomposing organic matter, improving soil structure, and enhancing plant disease resistance. 3. Azospirillum. Azospirillum is another nitrogen-fixing bacterium that works especially well with cereal crops like wheat, maize, and rice. It not only fixes nitrogen, but also promotes root growth and increases the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. Azospirillum is particularly useful in improving crop yields in dry regions. 4. Bacillus. Bacillus is a genus of bacteria that is widely used in biofertilizers. Bacillus species decompose organic matter and release valuable nutrients such as phosphorus and potassium into the soil. Additionally, Bacillus can help suppress soil-borne diseases by outcompeting harmful pathogens. Bacterial biofertilizers work in various ways to enhance plant growth and soil health. 1. Nitrogen fixation. As we saw with Rhizobium and Azotobacter, nitrogen fixation is one of the primary ways bacterial biofertilizers help plants. These bacteria convert nitrogen gas from the atmosphere into a form that plants can absorb, promoting strong plant growth. 2. Decomposition of organic matter. Bacteria like Bacillus help decompose organic matter, converting it into vital nutrients such as phosphorus, potassium, and carbon. This enriches the soil, making it more fertile. 3. Improving soil structure. By promoting microbial activity, bacterial biofertilizers improve soil structure, enhancing water retention and preventing soil erosion. 4. Plant disease resistance. Certain bacterial biofertilizers, like Bacillus, can protect plants from soil-borne diseases by outcompeting harmful pathogens. Let's take a look at a research study from India, which shows the benefits of bacterial biofertilizers in improving crop productivity. A study conducted by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR, found that Rhizobium and Azotobacter applications significantly increase the nitrogen content in soil and improve the overall health of crops like wheat and soybean. The study concluded that using bacterial biofertilizers not only improve the yield, but also reduce the dependence on chemical fertilizers, resulting in more sustainable and eco-friendly farming practices. In conclusion, bacterial biofertilizers are a powerful and natural tool for improving soil health, increasing crop yields, and reducing environmental impact. By using Rhizobium, Azotobacter, Azospirillum, and Bacillus, farmers can create a sustainable, eco-friendly farming system that benefits both their crops and the planet. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Have you used bacterial biofertilizers on your farm? Share your experiences with us in the comments.